So we're going to do a core workout. It's 9 minutes long. Make sure that you're warmed up before you start. You can march in place, you can do stationary bike, dancing, or a workout before this workout. Just as long as your muscles are warmed up and your blood is pumping and you're ready to go. The core workout, again, is 9 minutes long. It consists of 5 exercises: single leg lifts, single leg extensions, bridges, crunches with single leg knee lift, and eccentric push ups. All of the exercises will be 10 repetitions. So let's go. So you are going on your back and starting with single leg lifts. Make sure that the leg is straight and the foot is flexed. 1. Every healthy choice 2. I make is an act of self-love. 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, and switch sides. Other side, straight leg, foot flexed. No longer 2, both physically and mentally. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now you're doing single leg extensions. Flex and straighten. Flex and straighten. 2. I am a work 3, in progress, and that is perfectly 4, 5. You should feel a really good stretch in your calves and hamstrings. And other side. 1, 2. Challenges 3. Are stepping stones on my path to greatness. 5 more. And 10. Now you're doing bridges. 10 bridges. Lifting the butt off of the ground. 1. Up and squeeze. 2. 3. I deserve to 4. Feel confident and vibrant at every stage 5. Of my journey. 6. Up and squeeze. 9 and 10. Now you're doing crunches with the knee lift. So you're going to cradle your hands behind your head. Lift the knee. Look up at the sky or the ceiling. I am worthy of dedicating time and effort. I think you have 5 more. 9, and you're going to switch. 1, 2, 5, 6, 4 more. 9 and 10. Now this is the most challenging exercise. You're going to do eccentric push-ups on your knees. And basically you're just lowering yourself onto the floor. Slowly. 3, 2, all the way down. Now you're going to set yourself up. You're only doing 4 of these. Utmost respect. And slowly lower yourself down to the ground. You have 2 more. Set yourself up again. Then lower yourself down. 1 more. Up and lower. Good. Perfect. Okay. So this is the second and last set for the core workout. You're going to get back on your back and do single leg lifts, straight legs. Straighten out the leg and flex the foot. My journey is a testament to my strength and resilience. 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, and you're switching sides. And this is 1, 2. I am a warrior. 5 more. Fighting for 6, a healthier and happier life. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Single leg extension. So you're flexing and extending, bending and straightening out. 3. My health is an investment 4, in my future, and I am committed. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and switching sides. Again, flex and extend. 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, and 10. Now you're doing bridges, 10 bridges. Lifting the butt off of the ground, up and squeeze. I have 1, the power to rewrite my story 2, and create a healthier narrative. 3, up and squeeze. 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Crunches with the single leg knee lift. Crunch and lift at the same time. I am becoming a better 4, version of myself. 5, 6, 8, 9, and you're switching. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 2 more, 9, and 10. Now the challenging exercise, eccentric push-ups. So you're lowering yourself down on the ground very slowly. I'm grateful for the opportunity to transform my life. 2, all the way down. You're doing it 4 times. You've got 2 more times and you're done. So you're lowering yourself down to the ground very slowly. You've got 1 more and you're done. Fantastic. Great work.